Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to learn how to make questions using what and be verbs. Okay, now when we have one thing, we have to use the be verb is. What is it? What is it? It is a watch. It is a watch. It's one thing, so I have to say a watch. I can also use the contraction for it is, it's. Okay, now listen. It's a watch. It's a watch. What is it? What is it? It's a marker. It's a marker. Now, there are two highlighters. Okay, two. We use are. What are they? What are they? They are highlighters. They are highlighters. We have more than one, so we have to say are, and we have to put an S at the end. Again, we can use a contraction for they are, their. They're highlighters. They're highlighters. Okay, we're going to look at some examples and I'm going to ask some questions. Please try to answer them. Listen carefully and answer with it's a or their. Let's look at the first one. What is it? What is it? It's a key. It's a key. What are they? What are they? They're keys. They're keys. What is it? What is it? It's a chair. It's a chair. What are they? What are they? They're chairs. They're chairs. What is it? What is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. What are they? What are they? They're cats. They're cats. What is it? What is it? It's a house. It's a house. What are they? What are they? They're houses. They're houses. Now let's focus on pronunciation and saying these fast, okay? English speakers speak very quickly, so you have to practice as well. Okay, what is it? Okay, let's try it faster 3 times. What is it? What is it? What is it? It sounds like one word. Okay, and the answer also is very fast. It's a. It's a. It's a. It's a pencil. It's a chair. It's a marker. Okay, when we have more than one, we say, what are they? Let's do it fast 3 times. What are they? What are they? What are they? Okay, and when you answer, they're pencils. They're chairs. They're markers. Okay, so this video was what and be verbs. I hope you understood, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!